football's ugliest side reared its head during the Europa League's round of 32. Atalanta vs Borussia Dortmund was one of the more entertaining ties on the pitch, with the German side emerging 4-3 winners on aggregate, but the spectacle was marred by Michy Batshuayi being subjected to racial abuse by fans in Italy. The striker, who has excelled since joining on loan from Chelsea in January, tweeted pretty much as soon as the final whistle blew last Thursday, stating that he had indeed been the target of disgusting chants from a section of pathetic supporters. Garth Crooks, trustee of Kick It Out, said in response to his post, "Kick It Out is concerned about recent alleged incidents across Europe, where referees have appeared to not observe agreed protocols. The organization have raised the issues with the Fair Network about recent cases involving Mario Balotelli and Michy Batshuayi, and have asked Bobby Barnes, the president of the European division of FIFPro, to highlight this issue at the UEFA Congress in Bratislava this weekend." Thankfully, the Belgians' appeal to UEFA has seen the Italian side charged by the governing body, with the hope being that the perpetrators will receive lifetime bans. And Batshuayi himself has reacted to the news, posting a real moving tweet which simply sums up why he is adored by a lot of football fans. His attitude towards the shocking ordeal really is brilliant, and hopefully, it will prompt Serie A into action to try and put an end to the ongoing racial problem in the country. This isn't the first time this season Atalanta have been charged with racially abusing a player. At the start of the year, the club received a one-game stand closure after being found guilty of aiming chants at Napoli's Kalidou Koulibaly.